Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we are going to learn basic multiplication in a very simple and easy way. I will explain each step clearly so everyone can understand. Let's start our multiplication adventure. We have 2 pineapples plus 2 equals 6. There are 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 equals 6. 5 balloons plus 5 balloons equals 10 balloons. So now there are 2 groups, that is 2 5s are 10. 3 ice creams plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. 4 groups of 3 equals 12. 4 balls plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. So 4 groups of 4 equals 16. 4 fours are 16. Wonderful job everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning basic multiplication with me. Keep practicing these sums every day and you will become faster and more confident in math. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy math lessons. Bye bye.